If you're wondering how to use JungleScout's keyword research tool to kickstart your product research or improve your Amazon business strategy, you're in the right place. In this quick JungleScout guide, I'll show you exactly how to use this powerful tool to find profitable keywords that will help you grow your Amazon sales and drive more traffic. The keyword research tool in JungleScout is designed to help you discover high traffic, low competition keywords that you can target to boost your Amazon listings. Whether you're a new seller or a seasoned pro, this tool helps you make data-driven decisions for your business. To get started, log into JungleScout and head to the Keyword Research tab. You'll see a search bar where you can input any keyword related to the product or niche you're targeting. Let's say you're selling yoga mats, for example. You type in yoga mats into the search bar, and JungleScout will generate a list of related keywords along with important metrics like search volume, competition level, and keyword trends. Now you'll want to look at the search volume. Keywords with higher search volume typically indicate that there's a lot of demand for that product, but don't be fooled into only targeting those. The competition metric is just as important. If a keyword has high search volume, but also high competition, it might be more difficult for you to rank. Focus on finding keywords with a decent search volume, but lower competition to maximize your chances of ranking higher on Amazon. Once you've gathered your keywords, the next step is refining your list. JungleScout allows you to filter through different keyword variations based on factors like search volume, cost per click, and relevance. This makes it easy to identify the most promising keywords for your Amazon listings. You can even track the performance of these keywords over time, which is a game changer. JungleScout provides keyword trend data, so you can see if interest in a particular keyword is growing or declining. This helps you make informed decisions about which keywords to target in the long run. But here's a pro tip. Always think about the intent behind the keyword. Are people searching for something specific, like best yoga mats for beginners? Or are they just looking for generic terms like yoga mats? Intent-based keywords often convert better because they reflect a more specific need from the consumer. Now, if you want to take it to the next level, you can use JungleScout's Keyword Tracker. This feature allows you to monitor how well your selected keywords are performing over time, giving you insight into whether your optimization efforts are working. By consistently refining your keyword strategy and using JungleScout's keyword research tool, you'll improve your chances of ranking for the most profitable keywords, which leads to more visibility, traffic, and sales for your products. If you're new to JungleScout or you're just looking to try out the keyword research tool, we've got an exclusive offer for you. You can access this powerful software completely for free from the first link in the description below. Plus, we're throwing in some exclusive bonuses to help you get started. Make sure to stay tuned until the end, because I'll share how you can get an extended free trial of JungleScout that will give you even more time to explore all of its powerful features without any risk. So there you have it, a quick overview of how to use JungleScout's keyword research tool to find the best keywords for your Amazon products. With this tool in your toolkit, you're well on your way to improving your product visibility and increasing your sales. Don't forget to check out the free trial in the description and start exploring JungleScout today.